Hello and welcome to our video. In this video, we will be comparing accessibility and affordability between Giant Tiger, Real Canadian Superstore, Metro, and No Frills, locations in London, Ontario. Stores will be graded upon their location, store mobility options, as well as delivery options if they are available.
Affordability will be graded based on available discounts as well as the meal plan test. We have calculated out the weekly average for men and women 70 years and older based off the annual observed expense from the Canada's Food Price Report 2023 and compared this to a weekly meal plan in healthy eating for seniors.
So the first store we're going to be analyzing is Giant Tiger. So first, when looking at locations, within London and its surrounding area, there are 4 locations. However, only 2 of them are considered close to retirement homes. On the next slide, we'll be seeing some screenshots of a map. However, those 2 are located on Huron Street and Hyde Park. In terms of mobility within the stores, upon the entrance, there are no stairs or ramps. It just kind of comes out of a parking lot. And within the store itself, the aisles are considered pretty wide. There are some kiosks that may appear within aisles, which will make them more narrow. But Giant Tiger does follow the requirements of AODA, or the Accessibilities for Ontarians Disabilities Act, and following their guidelines when using kiosks. When we look at delivery methods, they do offer delivery. However, they do have a flat $8 shipping fee, which will increase the price when purchasing groceries. They do offer deals such as free shipping on $50 plus orders and have partnered with companies like Instacart to do deliveries as well. However, when doing deliveries, they do also have some excluded delivery addresses. So if someone is looking for delivery from the Giant Tiger, they will have to check to see if they even deliver to them. So here are 2 screenshots of Google Maps, side by side comparison. So on the left, we have the 4 store locations in London and the surrounding area of Giant Tiger. And on the right, I have some pinned retirement homes located in London and its surrounding area as well. To further analyze the accessibility of Giant Tiger, we'll be looking at its available discounts and whether or not it could fit within the weekly budget set by the Healthy Eating for Seniors Guide. So, first, in terms of discounts, they do offer discounts. Flyers and deals are posted on their website. When following the weekly meal plan from the Healthy Eating for Seniors Guide, at Giant Tiger, it came to a weekly total of 177 and 25 cents. This is 107 and 31 cents more expensive for men and 114 and 25 cents more expensive for women. In reference back to the scoring sheet that we brought up earlier, I will be giving Giant Tiger a score now in terms of its accessibility. So for its physical accessibility, I'm giving it a 7.5 out of 10. While only half of its locations are close to retirement homes, they do offer a delivery service. And while they do also have kiosks in store that could narrow aisles and become a problem, they do follow the AODA guidelines, which do take into account kiosks and how we can manage using those while making sure that it is accessible for all customers that are entering the store. In terms of affordability, I'm giving it a 6 out of 10. They do offer discounts and they post their flyers and deals on their website, so it is easily accessible by anyone who uses a technological device. In terms of its weekly budget and its affordability, I gave it a 1 out of 5 just because it is quite expensive. So it will be exceeding budget.
Next, we're going to analyze the Real Canadian Superstore. Okay, we're going to start with the accessibility. So starting with location, there's 2 locations in London, both on Oxford Street, one in East London and the other in West London. Both stores are built on more than one bus route and are located within driving or public transit of multiple retirement homes and communities. However, only a select few are within walking distance. Now looking at mobility in the store, so both stores are on ground level and are wheelchair accessible. And then next is the delivery methods. So they have free same day curbside pickup, and home delivery for a fee is also available. Delivery is made through PC Express on their site, Instacart, and DoorDash. Okay, so here you can see a map of London. The red markers indicate all the retirement homes and communities within London, and then the black is the Real Canadian Superstore locations. Okay, so now moving on to affordability. So, yes, the Real Canadian Superstore does have available discounts. They have a weekly flyer and a point collection system, which is PC Optimum. Unfortunately, it is not within the weekly budget. The meal plan cost per week is $135.55, which is $65.61 over for men and $72.59 over for women. Okay, so now looking at the final scoring. So the total store score is 14 out of 20. So 7 out of 10 for accessibility, mainly because of that location. There's only one in East and West London. So North and South London retirement homes have a farther commute. And then 7 out of 10 for affordability because they do have some available discounts. However, it is slightly over budget.
We will now review Metro's analysis. For accessibility, all Metro locations are built in retail centers and are available through one or more bus routes, as well as all stores being within driving, walking, or public transit of multiple retirement homes and communities, with the Cherry Hill Mall location being the most accessible. For mobility in the stores, all stores are on ground level and have wheelchair accessibility. For delivery options, curbside pickup is an option as well as home delivery through Metro, Instacart, Uber Eats, and DoorDash. This map shows the proximity of Metro locations tagged with the blue marks to retirement communities in London tagged with the red marks. Are available through weekly flyer sales as well as a points collection system through PC Optimum. Unfortunately, with the meal plan cost out, it is significantly over budget for the individuals of our target population. Metro has a total score of 12 out of 20, losing significant points for affordability. If a consumer still wishes to purchase and with Metro, we would recommend shopping to the flyer as well as using the points collection system.
All right, and now we are moving on to the no frills analysis. All right, so looking at the accessibility of no frills, there are 7 locations in London, all of which are built on major bus routes. However, only 2 of these 7 locations are within walking distance from at least one retirement home. Now, looking at the mobility, all stores are located on ground level. They are all wheelchair accessible. However, there are no motorized shopping carts available in any of the no frills locations. Now, looking at the delivery methods, No Frills does offer same day delivery as well as curbside pickup, and delivery is also offered through DoorDash, Uber Eats, as well as Instacart. However, all these delivery methods do come at an additional cost. All right, so just looking at this map, we have all of the retirement home locations in London in the red pin, and then the black pin represents the no frills locations. So, as we can see, only 2 of them are located or surrounding the retirement homes or communities, and all of the other ones are located quite farther away from the retirement homes and communities. Now, moving on to the affordability portion of the analysis, there are no senior discounts available at No Frills. However, they do offer price matching as well as the PC Optimum points program. However, this grocery store did fall short on the budget as the cost of the meal plan in total came to $150.18, which is $81.24 over for men and $87.22 over for women. Now, in terms of the scoring of this grocery store, the total score was a 10 out of 20. We gave it a 7 out of 10 for accessibility, and that includes a 3 out of 5 for location, as only 2 of them are in close proximity to retirement homes, and a 4 out of 5 for mobility in store, 1 point being reduced because they do not offer motorized shopping carts in store. And for affordability, we gave it a score of 3 out of 10, as they do offer price matching and points program. However, they don't offer any promotional senior discounts, as well as a 0 out of 5 for the budget because it did not fall within budget at all.
In conclusion, the most accessible store is Metro grocery stores. and the most affordable store is the Real Canadian Superstore.